How can I send photos from my iPhone to my laptop or to any device or laptop here in front of you? So there is a lot of options, there is a lot of way to transfer your photos or files from iPhone to laptop. But in this video, I'm going to show you that how can you send files in the best or the same quality which you have recreated and you're sending. So there is no quality loss and you will send a larger files. There will be a lot of files option there. Firstly, what you have to do is we will transfer the file through the WhatsApp. You just need to log into your WhatsApp web on your PC, and then after logging in from your phone or your iPhone device, you have to click on the photos and select the photos which you want to share. Like I want to share these some thumbnails here. Click on the send button from here. I will scroll down and here you will see an option to save to files. Now these photos are saved to my files. Now I will go on the WhatsApp here. This is my mobile's WhatsApp and this is number of my office, and this number is login in the WhatsApp of my PC. Here I will click on the add, click on document, choose from files, select these files here and simply send them from here. Now this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the